The cold, wet, gloomy days of winter call for a hearty bowl of soup to warm you up. Today we'll be making a quick and delicious potato and sausage soup. Into your large pot, place 6 cups of diced potatoes. You can cut them to the bite size you like. These are diced to about 1/2-inch cubes because they will cook quicker. Next, add a quart of chicken broth. This is broth we made this past summer from chickens we smoked. We use the skins and bones to make this delicious, slightly smoky broth. I love the flavor it adds to some dishes, but not everything benefits from the smoky flavor, so we make some broth from roasted chickens. This gives us options. You can use chicken, beef, or vegetable broth for your potato and sausage soup. Ham broth would also be delicious. Add a 1/2 cup of powdered milk or full cup of whole milk and 2 cups of water to create your soup base. Stir this well to dissolve the powdered milk. Next comes a 1/2 pound of sliced kielbasa sausage. When we were eating supper, the farmer suggested that I could have cut the slices into halves or even quarters to make the sausage go further. This is a great idea, and I will be doing exactly that the next time I make this soup. Next, add a cup of diced celery to your soup. I was out of fresh celery, so I added a 1/4 cup of dehydrated celery. This is why I love keeping dehydrated or freeze-dried vegetables on hand. 1 minced garlic clove and a teaspoon each of salt and ground black pepper complete the soup. Adjust the seasonings to your taste. Give it a good stir, cover the pot and bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer until the potatoes are fork tender. Depending on how thick you like your soup, it could be done now. We like ours a bit on the thicker side, so I'm adding a 1/2 cup of potato flakes and allowing it to simmer for another 3 minutes to thicken it up. I don't like mashed potatoes, but I make potato flakes to keep on hand just for this purpose. Once it's thickened, dish it up and enjoy your delicious soup. Thank you for stopping by the Old Mayfield place today. Stay prepared, stay warm, and have a blessed week.